In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet to another spreadsheet. If you need to move or duplicate a single tab from one spreadsheet into a different file, this is a quick and reliable way to do it. It's especially useful when you want to reuse a template, share one section of a workbook, or organize data into separate files without rebuilding the sheet manually. I'll walk you through the exact process so it's easy to follow. Start by going to the spreadsheet that contains the sheet you want to copy. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the Sheet tabs. Find the specific tab you want. Then right-click on it to open the menu. This menu gives you a few options for managing that sheet, and the one we need is the Copy option. From that menu, hover over Copy To, and then select Existing Spreadsheet. This tells the program that you want to send a copy of the current sheet into another spreadsheet file that already exists, rather than creating a brand new one. As soon as you click that, a file window will pop up. In this window, you can search for the spreadsheet where you want the copied sheet to go. Type the name of the destination spreadsheet into the search field. Then click the correct file when it appears and select Insert. That will place a copy of your sheet into that chosen spreadsheet. If you want to speed things up, here is also an alternative method. Instead of searching by file name, you can paste the URL of your destination spreadsheet directly into the search box. This can help you find the exact file instantly, which is especially helpful if you have several spreadsheets with similar names. Once the sheet has been copied, open your destination file. At the bottom, you'll see the newly copied tab appear. It will usually be labeled something like Copy of followed by the original sheet name that confirms the copy was successful. To keep your file organized, double-click the new tab name to rename it, or right-click the tab and choose the Rename option from the menu. Give it a clear name that matches its purpose, so it's easier to find later. That's all it takes to copy a sheet to another spreadsheet. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when you are managing multiple files. Thanks for watching.